What it do, fellas, ladies, gents, everybody out there in internet land? It's your boy B1, A.ka Uno, as you can see. I'm here today. I'm bringing y'all a special video. I finally got my ThreadBeast box, as y'all can see. It's here, it's full in tow. I haven't opened it yet, and you know, I'm finna unbox it. So y'all here with me. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna let you know if it's worth it or not. And hopefully they got some cool stuff in here, so let's get into it. I like this box, is nice and big, that's for sure. So let's see what we can get cracking. Yeah, I got the box yesterday actually. I just wasn't able to open it and do the unboxing. You know, I had got my tooth pulled, so I don't wish that on my worst enemy. Okay, we got something down. Something down. Okay, boom. Okay, let's turn it around, baby. Let's turn it around. Ooh, okay. First things first. Let's see what we got, ThreadBeast. Okay, I like how y'all do that. Let's see. Yeah, all right. First things first. They gave me a black hat that says Diamond Supply Company. It's black and leather. I like the way it feels. Feel real nice, you know. Kind of swag. I like that. Put that right there. These are some. I think these are boxes, but if they for me, they are super duper huge. And I'm pretty sure I told them I was a 32 and like a medium. And yeah, these definitely are too big. But let's see what the tags say on these. They say medium. What the hell is this? A hell of a medium. Okay, I see y'all, ThreadBeast. Medium. Cool. All right, let's see what else. What's in this box though? We got a box right here. Let's see what this is about. Oh, okay, swag. Send me some shades, baby. Shades about swag. Okay, I like them. Sit those up there. Hello, beautiful is what the box say. I know I'm beautiful, but I prefer if you call me handsome. Let's do it. Okay. Clothes-wise, let's see. They gave me a sweatshirt. It's fucking summertime. It's okay. I don't like this. This is just. I like the sweater. It's nice. It's real nice actually. Really nice. But it's fucking June. Okay. So far I'm on like a 60-40 split. 60-40 negative, 40 positive so far because I like the glasses and I like the hat. But the sweater, oh no. Okay. Let's see. Okay, diamond, baby. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Give me a shirt. What? Okay, this is a shirt and it still got sleeves on it. It's summertime, ThreadBeast. Y'all know this. I ordered this box. It's June. It's okay. All right. I like the shirt, but it's for winter. Okay. Now we had a 70-30 split. So far it's negative, and that's unpleasant for me to say because I wanted this to be a great review. Okay. Feli. They gave me a Feli shirt. I like it. It's cool. You know, plain. Nothing too major. You know. I give them 5 points on that one, so we're gonna take it back to 65-35. So far, okay. Yeah. ThreadBeast, I've read a lot of reviews, and at this point, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, they got some black sweat shorts from Hardware Heavyweights. I like these. I give them another 10. So that means then we have 45-55 split. And the overall for me is truly, I would have to say the overall for me is looking negative. They gave me a bunch of ThreadBeast little logo type things or whatnot. This is package 1. Congratulations on becoming an exclusive ThreadBeast member. That I am. I didn't get any socks. I was actually looking forward to the socks. I seen a lot of people get some dope socks, so I didn't get no dope socks. sad about that. That's unfortunate, highly. So this is my overall from my ThreadBeast. Now I have to say, ThreadBeast, I really think you guys could have done me a little solid. Y'all could have did me better. I think the long sleeve shirts are a bit out of the time frame of, you know, the season. So definitely get 2 thumbs down for that. I do like the shorts. I do like the hat. The shades, they cool. Not really my style, but they shades. Can't never go wrong. So the underwear, ridiculously too big. And so my overall for this ThreadBeast wardrobe monthly thing would have to be a negative. I'm giving you guys my opinion. You know, you guys might have gotten better boxes. I've seen people get better boxes, so I'm gonna try for one more, and hopefully the next box I get is a lot more pleasant, because this box definitely wasn't what I was thinking it was gonna be. So from me to you, I think the ThreadBeast is not worth it. 2 thumbs down on worth it or not. Pros, cons. I don't think it was worth it. And you know, they have different packages, and this was the most exclusive package, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was $65 or whatnot. It might have even been a bit more, but yeah, I don't think this was what I was looking for $65. So thank you guys for tuning in. You guys, you know, you got your own comments or whatnot. If you like the attire that was in the video, make sure that you leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked from the video or what you didn't like from the video. Make sure you definitely hit that button and subscribe to the kid. B1 aka Uno. More reviews coming, more music coming, more everything coming. So stay tuned and rock with the kid. It's your boy I1.